In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Coinbase support and get a fast response. Let's walk through the exact process step by step so you can reach the right team quickly and get help without going in circles. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Coinbase Help. You should land on the official Coinbase Help Center. Take a quick moment to confirm you're on the legitimate Coinbase domain before continuing. This helps you avoid phishing sites and ensures your request goes to the real support team. Once you're on the Help Center, scroll down the page and look for the Contact Us option. It's often located near the bottom or within a support widget. Clicking this will guide you into the official support flow rather than generic help articles, which saves time when you need a human review. Next, you'll be asked to choose the product related to your concern. Select the one that best matches your issue, like Coinbase, Coinbase Wallet, or another specific product. Picking the closest match routes your case to the right specialist and typically speeds up the response. From there, click Sign In for support. Signing in helps Coinbase verify your account and securely link your support ticket to your profile, which reduces back and forth. For privacy, avoid using shared or public computers if you can. You'll be prompted to enter your email address. Use the email associated with your Coinbase account to ensure the system recognizes you. If they send a sign-in code or magic link, keep an eye on your inbox and spam folder and open it promptly so the session doesn't expire. Click Continue and then follow the on-screen prompts. These may include confirming your identity or completing two-factor authentication. Just proceed through each screen carefully until you reach the support intake. After you're signed in, you'll see a field where you can type your concern. Be clear and concise. Include what happened, when it started, any relevant transaction IDs or reference numbers, and what you've already tried. Do not share passwords, seed phrases, or full security codes. Coinbase support will never ask for those. If you add screenshots, crop out sensitive details before uploading. The goal is to give enough context for the agent to act quickly without exposing private information. Once submitted, you may receive confirmation by email or see live chat options depending on availability. Keep that confirmation handy and monitor your inbox for updates. That's it. Follow these steps, provide precise details, and you'll be set up for the fastest possible response from Coinbase support.